it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be testing out my slimes. Yeah, it's in this box thing here. You can't really see it, but it's in a milk container. Just because I don't have anything to put it in. This was my brother's first milk container. But trust me, this is super start. So yeah, what's that? So guys, this is in a milk container. Trust me, this is super clean. And I'm with my phone today. So if you're wondering, where should I test this one? I don't even have a table. So presenting my tiger table. Magic happens, guys. So this is my table. You can clearly see me. So I'm just gonna fix this. There, can you guys see me? I can. But let's try the slimes out. So I hope it's totally worth it. Because some of my slimes are old and months ago. So let's try it. Okay, so let's just. Oh my gosh, I have a magic clay too, but I'm not gonna get that. This blue slime. This is an old slime though. Oh my gosh. Let's open it. It has a fancy control. Let's try it. It's super squishy. It's very stretchy. This is the stretchiest among all my slimes. If you didn't see my new slimes video, this was in it. But if you didn't, I know why. Because I didn't post it. Like, oh my gosh. Like, we didn't post it, but I posted like that loading thing. Like, oh my gosh, my brother. There's something wrong with video, but it's okay. Here's it. It was supposed to be dark blue with like confetti glitters, but the confetti glitters peeled off. It only have silver glitters. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has silver glitters.
I'm going to turn on Spider-Man. This one.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. Wait a second. And guys, this kind of pokes, but it does not poke anymore. I'm so sad. This is my favorite slime.
It's breaking.
Oh. Sorry guys for that. This is like not even a pokeball slime. And it's very hard. Like, this is so soft last time. But I'm gonna give this, the color is pretty good. So the color, I'm gonna rate it for 5. The color is 5. So these are all the ratings. The color is 5. From all of this lens, if this is perfect. The perfect color of the slime is 5. The texture, the perfect texture of slime is 5. And the pokeball of the slime is 5. So this one is color is 5. Texture, I think 2. And is the other one again? Texture 5. And the pokeball of this is 0.
Come on, guys.
You can hear a little bit, so I'm gonna put it 1 for pokeball. For next slime. What? What? So I'm gonna get my second slime. My feet. My feet.
4, 5,
That's them.
6,
7.
8.
What is this? It smells so bad. Oh my gosh, it dried up. like I put them in one container. I put them in one container. This is one slime that is I showed.
Stop.
That is the one that I showed you guys. This is my slime with bees.
Guys,
You see that video?
guys,
This
bye.
I'm not saying that. This is the slime. Oh my phone! Don't touch my phone. This is the slime with the slime of the bees. If you watch that video, this is
below,
slime.
guys.
If you
Make
made that slime,
sure, guys, bye.
stop it. So if you made this slime, so if you guys made this slime, do not make it. Look, it rips. Oh, the inside is not. It's super squishy in the inside. But the outside is just disgusting. That's now so. The color is 0. The texture, I'll give it a 1. The Pokeball is 0. So yeah. So this is the third slime.
Ali! Are you kidding me?
So guys, are you kidding me? The texture, the color it will be 2 because I really like this color. I remember I made this with glue, but I'm very sad right now because this was my most favorite slime. Kind of teary. So I'll give the color 2, texture 1, and the Pokeballness like kind of sad. The third slime is my purple slime. This is, if you've seen that video, Eddie. Oh, stop it! It's so cool. Like he put my toy up there, like with Ethan. So this is my purple slime. I hope this turns out really good because this is my favorite slime ever.
Ali!
Okay, I have 2
Ali!
slimes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It began to be like really soft. Like if you see this a month ago, it's like I posted at March. Oh my gosh, this is so stretchy. And last time it wasn't stretchy, it breaks. But now it's so stretchy. It's crazy. I didn't smoke it.
Hello! George, yes. Please, Emma. Spider-Man.
You can kind of hear a little bit of it, but you can't really hear it. So the color, I'll give it a 5. The texture, 5. But the Pokeballness, I think 1.
Spider-Man.
Stop it.
Police.
You're crazy. I'm wrong, but guys, this is the full slime because in this one there's 2, so it's the 5th slime next. If you're wondering, some of my slimes are gone here because I kind of mixed them.
It's Spider.
This is my 5th slime. It's super. I take back what I said. It's not that stretchy, but it's super stretchy. Poke. You cannot hear the poking noises. Hey, the color, I'll give it a 5. Texture, 5. And the Pokeballs, I'll give it a 1. So guys, that's all for today.